Hi everybody, it's Nadia, and as the title suggests, I just thought that I would bring to you what I'm taking away on holiday with me, makeup wise, the creams, makeup remover. Not that I'll actually wear a lot of the makeup. I am pretty okay with just basically wearing my natural skin. I'm not one for layering up for the beach. I'm not one for anything. I just like to go to the beach with nothing on. I've put obviously my SPF, but this is what I will be taking with me. First of all, for removing the makeup, I will be taking this little bottle of Nivea. I know I'll probably use this twice if it's lucky, and a few cotton pads, and these are the ones that I use on a regular basis. I'm not taking all of them because I know I just won't use them, but these are what I'll be using to remove my makeup. I then also take the Nivea Invisible for Black and White for deodorant. I love this. This is a really nice deodorant. It's in a stick form, so I don't know what else to say about it. So for my face, I will be taking Codage. It's like a serum, but it's a mini one, perfect for travelling with. I have used this quite a few times and it is really nice. So this is what I'll be using at the end of the day. And for skincare, the only three things that I'm going to be taking is day and night. And the day cream has got 15% sun cream in it, which is really good because that's about all I'll put on. And then the number 7 Protect and Perfect night cream. So these are all in the same range, and these are absolutely brilliant sizes for travelling with. And yeah, and then the number 7 Protect and Perfect Intense Eye Cream as well, guys. There is really nothing else that I would take. I will be taking a packet of wet wipes, but not these ones. They will be the Yes To ones, but they're at the bottom of the box and I can't find them yet. So, but at least I'm showing you a packet of wet wipes is what I thought. So also just to have a little twist during the day, because I don't like to wear perfumes, but I have got this little eau de toilette body mist in strawberry from the Body Shop. It just smells of strawberries, and it's just to give me that fresh feeling. So that will also be coming with me. Brushes, I'm taking the ELF Daily Brush Cleaner, just to spot clean while I'm there, so that at night I've got fresh brushes, because I'm not taking a lot of brushes with me. For the brushes, I'm taking a bronzer brush. This is the Eco Tool Mini. A blusher brush. A powder brush. This is a number 7 one. A highlighting brush that's actually broke, so I'm going to get rid of the end and just use this as my highlighting. And then I've got a eyebrow spoolie, because I haven't decided whether I want a pomade or a pencil, but it'll probably be a pencil because it's easier to travel with. A concealer brush, and one for like putting your metallics on and golds and things like that. That would definitely be used a lot. And then some blender brushes, Sometimes I'll use this just to put one colour everywhere. That's all I'll probably be doing. If I go a bit more intricate, if I put more makeup on, I'll need just a few blending brushes, and these are the assortment that I picked out so that I'd got enough. I've got a pencil brush for under the eyes. In case we have any fancy nights out, then I can do that a little bit more. That's what I'm taking brush wise. A nice little silver case that is holographic. And then makeup wise, perfume wise, I'm taking the travel one. This is from the McCarthy Glen, and although it's not got my favourite perfume in, it's still a perfume that I like. So I was like, this is perfect just to take with. To start off with, I won't be wearing foundation at all. I'll be wearing, if I do put anything on my face, as in foundation wise, I'll be using the L'Oreal palette Paris Nude Magique Bleu Tinted Moisturiser. It's really good for just a lightweight application. It really is. So it's not too dark. It's, you know, I will catch a bit more sunshine out there, and yeah, this is perfect. I am taking this the Tartelette Tease, and this is just an all-round basic matte eyeshadow, and you can't go wrong. You really can't. And I will use this. I'm also probably be taking this Revlon Photo Complexion Priming and Shine. This for my primer. The package is bulky, which is what putting me off, but I absolutely love this. This is one of the best ones I've found that actually suits my skin. The Bobbi Brown, and this has got a gorgeous bronzer in it, it's got a blusher in it, and it's got a highlighter in it. And just for a high-end look, as in look like today, but without so much foundation on, at least then I've got all the colours that I need. But I'll probably only end up wearing the bronzer and the blusher. I've also got the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealing Stick. I'm not 100% sure whether I'll use this or not, so, but I thought I'll just put one in, even if I have to tap just the slightest bit. Everything I've got on my face today will be linked down below. I will be taking the e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set. It's a new bottle, and I'll be taking this with me. I'm also taking the Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petal, just to set under my eyes, not to set the BB cream because it doesn't need setting. Is the Make Up Forever setting powder, and I like this one. I know I like the e.l.f. one, but this will be better for me over there. So, because this can actually be used for all over the face if I decide I'm too shiny. And then lipsticks, I am taking Jeffree Star's Pumpkin, I think it's Pumpkin Spice, which will go with anything, whatever look I'm doing. The BALM Domination, and it's gorgeous red, and it'll go with anything. So I picked the colours that I like, but I know will go with any clothes that I will be wearing. I picked a MAC lip gloss. This is from one of the Christmas collections, but I was like, just to slap on my lips. Yeah, that one, slap on my lips. So I've got the Dose of Colour in Berry Me. I love this, I really do. This is good for a nice long wear night out, same as with the Jeffree Star one. That's why I wanted them ones, because these will last through a meal. So, and then I've got the Lime Crime in a nude, and I think it's called Pom Pom. And again, so I've sort of covered all the spectrum of colours. I've got a nude, I've got a weird, I've got my berry, I've got a red, and then I've got a gloss. That's it, guys, basically. It all goes inside one of these. So everybody, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed what I'm taking on holiday with me, apart from clothes obviously, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.